In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to draw a three-dimensional, three-tier cake that is round and made of cylinder-like shapes. So our top tier and our middle tier and our bottom tier are actually all just going to be cylinders, just sort of short ones. So the top of them is a circle, the bottom is a circle, and the sides are straight. So when we're looking at it head on like this, we would see something called foreshortening, and that would make the circle look squished into an oval. Now I'm going to be doing this in Sharpie so that you can see it well on the video, but I'd like you to start with pencil like I did here. So the first thing we're going to do is leave a little bit of space at the top of the page because you don't want your cake jammed at the top of the page. And we're going to draw a small oval like that. Okay, so it's about a third the width of the page, and we're holding our paper long and tall. Then we're going to do a vertical line down and down, and we're going to do a curved line, sort of like a half oval or a smile, right below it. Now we're going to do another oval, but instead of you seeing the whole oval, we're going to make it invisible here, and then pick it up on this side here, and then vertical line down, and now another curved line here. Now I'm sure you can guess what we're going to do here, and obviously if you wanted to make like a really tall, like a 5-tier cake or something, you could just keep going. Just make sure that you start out by making your top one smaller. So again, partial oval, vertical line down, and curved line. Now, if you want to add a little cake plate, you can do another partial oval, and if you want to make it a fancy, like a little cake stand, you can then add a little pedestal to it. You could add, little decorations in there or things like that, and then another partial oval, and here you have your basic cake. And then from there, you could add any of your designs. Just remember, anything that you're adding on here also needs to be curved. So let's say you were adding some kind of little decorative pattern. You wouldn't go straight across with it. You would curve it just like you did with this line here, okay? So you never want to go straight across. You want to make sure that everything is also on that curve. That would be the same thing if you had any kind of writing, like if it said, this is kind of weak, but if it said happy birthday, okay, you wouldn't want it to be straight across. You'd want it to curve up on the ends a little bit. All right, so now you can start adding all of your decorations, and then you can go ahead and make it super interesting and your own design, and it will look super 3D and delicious.